Guys, Python is a versatile language and there are many tips and tricks that can help you write cleaner, faster and more maintainable code. Here we have few more useful tricks. A round function. This is a float, a value in this variable. We want this invoice number to be round to give in precision. In the first statement, we are saying just round without any precision. And second, we are saying just round the value of this invoice with 2 decimal precision and then 3. Okay, run the program. You will see without precision, with 2 decimal precision, with 3 decimal precision. If you see -1, -2, -3, -4, right? -1 means it will remove tens. -2 removes additional value on 200 and -3 remove additional value on 1000 and -4 removes all the things. If you would have invoice in thousands, then output would be different. Next trick, repeating list items while initializing. We have initialized two lists, list 1, list 2, and we are repeating these items these many times. Okay, and we are printing here. In the program, you will see 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. These are getting repeated. Okay, 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6 and so on. Next trick, checking and analyzing the memory unit of an object. Sys module is been imported and we can calculate the size of any object, any value in bytes. Okay, this is a string, this is integer, this is tuple, and this is a dictionary. And we are getting the size of these objects in bytes with the help of sys module, and that get size of. And the program, you will see the size in bytes. Okay. Next trick, inverting and merging the dictionary. I have one dictionary, key values, item 1, 6, item 2, 9. What we are doing here, we are using dictionary 1 in this dictionary 2 at the time of initialization, right? You see, we are getting key and value with help of dictionary dot item function. Okay, run the program, you will see item 1 and item 1. And this type of initialization can be useful when you are doing some customization at the time of initialization. If you want to calculate a square, you can do it in the same way. Okay, you see dictionary 2, we could see the square of this value. How to merge two dictionaries? I have dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. Okay, with the help of update function, we can do it quickly. We are using update function on this dictionary object and then we are passing dictionary 2 and then we are printing dictionary 1. So you will see this dictionary 1 is getting updated with dictionary 2. All the items from dictionary 2 got added into dictionary 1. Okay, same thing can be done using unpacking operator. What we are doing here in dictionary 3, we are unpacking dictionary 1 and dictionary 2 with help of these operators, unpacking operators, right? Run the program, so you will see the same output. Okay, this is another way of merging two dictionary. Okay, one more way to merge dictionary with help of this or operator, right? Dictionary 1 and dictionary 2 we are merging together in dictionary 4, right? And the program, you will see the same output. Next trick, merging different lists. We have two lists, we are going to merge with the help of extend function. If we print a now, you will get extended list of item. Okay, you see all the items from b merge into item a. But if you use a dot append function, so it will add this b list of object as a item into this a, right? Print a again, so you will see the list b has been added as an item in a. So these are common everyday tip and tricks in Python which can be useful for you in your projects.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.